So a really exciting day today. So I got the engine out easily, and then I tested that everything lined up, which it did beautifully. And then I welded in the cross brace. And I've got flags on to remind me that there's one weld I missed down there. And I need to finish up the top there because that got a bit messy. But the bit that looked a bit insane is coming together very nicely. So I welded a bit of an offcut on round there, and I bent up little bits to fill in. In terms of the welding, I mean, some of it almost looks sort of Instagram Miggers TIG worthy. Other stuff, or even other stuff that I've done today, is quite a mess. So overall it looks like about 5 people have been working on this. So some of the early welding, lost the shape of the metal with how much I've ground it down to make it look acceptable. But then doing the same job around this side, it flows nicely and just wire brush it. And again there, that one's come out really nicely. This is where it got a bit blobby up the top and I just stopped. So I'll come back to that another day. I'm probably going to grind that a little bit. See if I can improve that. So that side did have a bit of grinding. But things like fitting this in, my confidence is improving and the finish is improving. I mean, this looks like a nice piece of furniture I'd have in the house. So it is very much a thing. And here's a look round. The stuff's been filled in. So from there onwards is an extra plate, and there's the join line. So I could grind that off, but I'm going to leave that as a memory of doing this, having that extra piece in there. I also like having the little holes as a memory of screwing it together to jig it. And my memory being what it is, I'm going to forget how it's all been made. And hopefully when I see the car in a few years' time, I'll be going, I know what that little hole's for. I'm less likely to be looking around the other side at a line of weld I haven't ground off. But sort of the story of how it's been built is still in it.